This is so relaxing. Nothing can ruin this moment, don't you agree, Ducky?
Hey Sam, it's here! The Roblox skincare blind bag is finally here!
What? No way! Come on, let's open it up!
Sammy, you need to dry off first.
We don't have much time for that. You have to open it now. The waiting is unbearable! Hey, wait up!
Sam, where are you? I thought you wanted to open this.
Sorry, Susie. I was just drying my hair.
Sammy, slimes don't have any hair.
Excuse me, slimes do have hair. Hey!
Oh, I wonder what's inside. The surprises can be common or rare.
What? Did you say rare? You mean like me? Oh, this is so exciting. I can't wait.
Well, you know, there's only one way to find out what we've got in here.
How? Develop an X-ray vision?
Not quite. I was talking about scissors. Friends, please always be very careful when you cut something. And this is it. The moment of truth. Sam and I are always excited about blind baggies because they're like tiny treasure chests full of little surprises. Here we go. It's the rare bag. What do you think, Sam? Pretty good, huh?
Pretty good. Sue, it's amazing!
I couldn't agree more. Let's see what else is in here. This is mysterious. And it's a baggie number 1. Oh, I feel something exciting inside. Wait, is there a bag number 2 here? Oh yeah, shall we open them?
I'm way ahead of you, Sue. I've opened this baggie already. Hey, give it back!
Okay, let's put you out of your misery. Ta-da! Ew!
Squishy face? That's unexpected and rare!
It looks like someone here needs a good face spa. Now let's cut open the baggie number 2. Cut along the dotted line so you don't cut what's inside the bag. Are you ready to see what's inside? Here we go! Look at these! They have even more blind baggies! Wow, this just gets better and better! It's like a birthday surprise!
Holy cannoli, that's a whole lot of pimples! We need to fix this, Sue! Chop chop!
You're right, Sam. We should give our new friend a makeover. Oh, pretty nasty. Looks like a snot. Ugh.
Maybe these tweezers can help with the pimples? Good luck!
Yeah, pimples can be annoying. Right, friends?
Whoa, check out those bushy eyebrows!
These eyebrows need some grooming. Ah, so much hair.
Allow me. I've got this, Sue. I'm stuck. Come on. Wow. Watch out.
Sammy, are you okay?
It's all under control, Sue. We just need something a little more, industrial.
Just let me give it a try. That wasn't so bad. Now for the mustache. Up. We're gonna start the face spa treatment with this small baggie number 1. Any guesses? Could it be the cleanser that we need? It's a face cream. It'll help our model's face glow. This is an important part of any beauty routine.
Step aside. This'll get rid of the pesky eyebrow.
It's okay, Sam. It's taken care of. We're now giving our new friend a nice face massage. I can't hear a word you're saying. Why is the tape covering your mouth? Oh, we've got a watermelon face mask. Here you go. Uh-huh. Enjoy. And I'll go help Sammy, okay? Hold still. What did you say?
I said
You got me there, little pink prankster. Okay, let's continue our makeover.
Oh, this is so refreshing. Hey, why can't I enjoy a little spa?
These cucumber slices will give your eyes a nice, cool feeling.
And when we are done with your eyes, we make a tasty cucumber salad. C'est magnifique! Mwah!
I don't think so. There's still work to be done here. And we have these eye patches. Let's take these cucumber slices off first. And now these eye patches go under your eyes to get rid of any puffiness.
Ugh, puffiness is the worst. I always make sure my slime eyes look their best.
You always look great, Sammy, you know that. Hey, we have some basic makeup in the number 5.
Oh, yeah, you're right, Sue. I do look great. I'm a natural beauty.
A little powder will surely make those cheekbones stand out and look fresh. Add a soft pat on the forehead, nose, and chin too. There. This is the last baggie. Let's find out what's inside. This is perfect. You gotta have a lipstick. Oh, I love the shade. Maybe I should get one for myself too. What do you think of the shade, huh, Sammy?
What a difference. I can't believe it's the same face.
But we're not done yet. We gotta show how to craft this.
Okie dokie.
The makeover was fun, but I'm a crafting girl at heart. And I know where to begin. I'll draw our squishy model first.
This sounds like a good start. Let me help.
Your help is always appreciated. What do you want to do?
The many choices. Lipstick or the face cream? Oh, I know. I'll work on the gross stuff, the pimples and snots.
Someone's got to do the dirty work. Thanks, Sammy. After the outline is done, I can start adding the features. Remember, the details are very important here, folks. And the mouth will be over here. How are you getting on, Sammy?
I'm a pimple-making machine, Sue.
Wow, sounds exciting.
Just wait for it. They're gonna be the best pimples you've ever seen.
I like the attitude, Sam. Keep it up. These markers are like a rainbow in a box. Let's start by gently coloring near the outline. And then just work your way inward with neat, steady strokes. Let's give our model big, beautiful eyes.
A little cut here, snip there. The pimples are almost ready.
Glad to hear that. Whoa, careful. Don't forget about the slimy snot. It's an important feature for our squishy face.
As if I could ever forget that. Gotta get my green marker. Must be here somewhere. Could it be behind the flowers? Let me check. Well, problem solved. Don't need green marker anymore.
Ew, that's pretty gross, Sammy. Could we please stick to the paper snot? And the model's ready.
I guess you're right, Sue. I'll guarantee it'll be paper snot.
Ew. Now I'm tracing around the model on another piece of paper with a pencil. We need it for the backside of the face model. Alrighty. Just give it the same color. Now we want to make it super squishy. I'll use cotton for this. Wait for it. Voila! And this is what we've got. Don't forget to secure the edges with some tape. Sammy, we're ready for the pimples and goo.
Coming right up, Sue. They don't suit me anyway.
This is great. I mean, yikes. Ugh. You know what I mean. Ta-da! Now on to the next. The face cream. It's an important product.
Oh, and I'll make the bags for the goodies. We want it to be a surprise.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. I almost forgot about those. Make them with a number for each item, please.
No problem, Sue. I'm on it. This is my ultimate gig. I'm the brains and the beauty of this operation after all. It's a tough job, but somebody's gotta do it.
I'm not sure how to take that. But I do admit that I've always admired your dedication to our crafts. So, any updates on those blind baggies, Sammy? Need any help?
That's unnecessary. I'm creating my own masterpiece. A work of art. Prepare to be amazed.
Oh, excuse me, Mr. Slime Picasso. I didn't realize we were witnessing the birth of a bag-making artist. So proud of you. Friends, go slow when coloring narrow areas. Combine dark and light colors so the main areas pop with colorful and vibrant shades.
I'll fold this part over. Then a little crease here. Wait, this doesn't look right. Let me try that again.
I think you made one fall too many. It's still pretty though. Let me know if you need some help. By the power of craft and dash of glee, let's see what magic this paper can be. Wow! Now we need to stick these two together. Make sure to use large tape to laminate the two pieces. It can be tricky, but the result is neat and pretty. Hello? Are the bags ready yet?
All set. Bags are numbered and prepared like a race car.
Thanks, Sam. Where's the cotton? It was right here.
Huh? What cotton? I haven't seen it since slime zone.
Why, you…
Ow, that hurts!
We left one end of the tube unsealed so we could fill it with cotton for squishy stuffing. There. Now it's ready. It goes into the blind baggie number 1. This bag is down, a few more to go. Now it's time to make the big blind baggie. Let's go. I mean, we need something to put all our little surprises somewhere, right? Let's start from the outline.
Hey, Sue, we should make it Sam-shaped. It's the best shape ever.
Why don't you better choose some clothes for the bag,
What? You mean I could be fashion designer? I'll be right back.
Well, yeah, I suppose so. But remember, we're just drawing them, okay? Nothing fancy, just something that fits the theme here. And folks, there's no wrong way to do this. Just let your creativity and imagination flow.
Well, I'm thinking, sequin, no, satin, wait, a festival, brilliant!
I'm starting to regret this. Whatever you come up with, I'm sure it will be perfect, Sam. Anyway, back to craft now. Brown for the eyebrows and pink for the lips. Do you like our choice of colors? I sure do.
Folks, slime couture will be glam and stylish, but still maintain the essence of my vision.
That sounds good. But Sammy, we're not actually making an outfit. Friends, as you can see, I'm not coloring with markers anymore. I'm using a brush and paint. Paint works better and faster to cover large areas, but it's a bit trickier, I guess.
Got it! Whatever you say, Sue, I'll make it in no time!
You know, Sam seems happy. I guess I'll just let him finish what he's doing back there. This is what I meant by trickier. You gotta take it easy near the lines. You can move your brush a little freely when you paint big areas like this. The big bag's front is done. We even have the name right in the middle. So it's time to stick these two pieces together. I'm sure you know by this point that we only glue the edges. Press them together. We don't want anything falling out. All that's missing is the goodie bags. In you go!
Check out my latest creation, Sue! It looks absolutely great on the bag!
Didn't you hear me? The bag is ready. I told you we were just drawing it.
Oh, right. Well, at least I look stunning! What a day! Slime chillax time now! What a luxury! Basking in Orbeez serenity!
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, friends! Sammy, you've been in here for hours. I need to, do my business.
Ugh, you're ruining the ambience, Susan! Well, I guess that's my cue to go. I'll see you